It's 5:15. Getting out there. What's up, Ollie Cat? You want to go fishing today? You want to come? Out here by the Lexington. Right out here with sunrise. I'm seeing pops around me, and there's bait and fish all on this fish finder right here. So there's bait, and I'm seeing some pops. It doesn't remind me of ladyfish, so I think it might be trout, but we will see. Bottlenose dolphin was just, oh man, right as soon as I pulled out the GoPro, he stopped breaking the surface. He was right there. There he is. Alright, just caught another croaker instantly off the deal. He swallowed it, so I'm gonna keep him. He swallowed that hook. Alright. We got the squid in there. Let's see if I don't gut hook the next fish. Let's see. Alright, got a really good spot. There's the bottom. Little guy. This could be a good little trout bait. It's kind of big, but if there is a trout spot, I might as well keep him. New species. Big ol' pinfish. Pretty fish though. That shrimp trawler is not very far out there. What is this? Oh my, this might be a real fish. Oh my. I think we got a speckled trout. If I can keep him on. Come on, come on. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. That is a tank. That is a tank right there. Oh man. Gentleman was good luck. He just popped by. Speckled trout here. Downtown Corpus Christi. With the boats going right off the point. So off the rock point, first cast caught a little ladyfish, second cast, boom, 17, 18-inch trout right here, downtown Corpus Christi, right by the, on the other side of Lexington. These rock piles working good. All right, hit right off this point up here. Should have just came straight here. I was messing around trying to catch croaker for too long. I'm in a good trout spot. If there's anything I learned with the trout, is where there's one, there's more of them. I think I might have to get a little bit closer in there. That was an instant drop down and he got smacked. He got smacked. I was not, it was literally basically on the drop. See if I can put it right back there. No, literally as soon as I get excited about a bite and where to throw to, I just bird nest every single time. Straight bird nest. Because I keep floating a little bit further, so I think I gotta cast it a little bit harder to get it there. Alright, here we go. That's where they've been hitting, is really close to the rocks. Did it sink? Oh, I think I got it messed up. Nope, still good. So that's what we're doing, just a little Mirrodine. It might be, I think it was a ladyfish. I think that was another. See all these birds, they're getting pretty chill with me. Some of them, they are waiting for them to upload the shrimp. Alright, on my other rod, I had this one good croaker size, bait size, and there's fish all out there. I don't think this will take long if I toss them out there. See if he doesn't make it back. Alright, hooked into a little fish. Oh, is he on there still? What the heck? Is it a lizard fish? He went for a, look at this, he went for a Mirrodine the size of him. It's half his body length. What fish is that? I think it might be a lizard fish. Oh man. Stop, stop, stop. He's got some teeth on him. Look at those teeth. And there he goes. There's that monster sheep's head. He's right on the other side of this rock. Man, there's a lot of sheep's head around here. Oh, he's right there. That is a freaking big one. Let me see if I can stay as still as possible. Wonder you can see him through the water. He is right in front of me. Oh yeah, you can see him through the water. That's insane. He is, I'm just staying as still as possible. He is not. You can see him right there. Just don't move. That was a big boy. He's coming to check. And look who's here to greet me when I get home. What's up, bro? You hungry? There we go. We got the fish getting ready to be done. A little lemon, olive oil, seafood magic. Brown rice with the lime. You gotta get the lemon and lime mixture in the food. So you got the rice, lime, Fish with the lemon. I had some asparagus and tomatoes I had saved from last night as well. You gotta get your veggies in, you gotta eat right.